how to fix Instagram share list order changed problem. So if you want to change your share list order on your Instagram, then what you need to do is you need to open up your Instagram application. But before that, make sure that you've updated your application. Go with your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once it's updated, you need to just open up your Instagram. And let me tell you one thing, that if you try to share something on your Instagram, then you will have your share list order, right? So if you've shared some particular post or something like that to one person simultaneously, like more than 10-20 times, for example, if you send to this particular person, which is in the middle, if you send this person more reels or post, then automatically this person will come at the front. The list order will be changed because Instagram will automatically change that list order as you send the person more and more reels. So there's no particular way to change the list order of your share list, but it depends on how you share or send reels or post to a person. But there's an alternative way. You can go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. From here, you need to scroll down and you'll have help. Tap on help, tap on report a problem, tap on report problem again, tap on don't include, and then here you need to briefly explain what happened. And after that, send. Once you've sent, Instagram will help you on how you can change your order list on your Instagram. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.